activist Snehamai Krishna, a key complainant in the alleged MUDA scam case, was summoned by the Enforcement Directorate (ED) to appear before its Bengaluru zonal office on Thursday. The ED, which has filed an Enforcement Case Information Report (ECIR) against Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, has asked Krishna to present evidence and produce relevant records under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act (PMLA) 2002. The summons comes after Krishna's complaint led the Lok Ayukta police to file an FIR against CM Siddaramaiah, his wife Parvati and two others. The complaint was emailed to the ED on September 27.